Hello everybody, my name is Nguyen and I am currently the lecturer of Multimedia and Communications at FPT University Cần campus. And this is my very honor to present you one of the topics that my colleagues and I have been working for a period of time and found out amazing findings. And the topic I'd like to share you is the role of brand ambassadors in shaping brand image and driving purchase intentions, a case study in the fashion industry in Vietnam. And I am the presenter. Work slowly with me. There are three more authors, Dr. Võ Minh Sang, Dr. Nguyễn Hai-Tuan, and Dr. Trần Hồng Minh Ngọc. They are also the lecturers working for FPT universities as well. There are 5 contents that I would like to share you. The first one, introduction. The second one, model research. The third one, methodology. The fourth, findings. And the last one, limitation and further research. Now, let's get started with the first one, introduction. Brand ambassadors have emerged as an increasingly vital communication tool for businesses, providing effective not only for the large corporations, but also for small enterprises. One example, K-pop group Blackpink, very famous one, has been the faces for luxury fashion brands, for example, Dior, Chanel, Saint Laurent, and Celine. In Vietnamese context, although the practice of luxury brands seeking representatives is not so popular, a number of actresses have taken up roles as brand ambassadors for domestic fashion firms. For example, the actress Ninh Ngoc, she's very famous here in Vietnam, and she became the representative of Six Dolls, also one of the most famous fashion brands in Vietnam as well. Using brand ambassadors to promote communication and brand activities is increasingly being applied by many brands in order to increase customer attraction or contribute to building brand equity and promote customer intention towards the brand. This is particularly relevant in the burgeoning economy of Vietnam, where celebrity endorsements have yet to garner significant scholarly attention. Therefore, this paper contributes to the understanding of how celebrity brand retention shapes brand image and purchase intent. This study delves into the integral significance of 4 key indicators associated with brand ambassadors. The first one is credibility. The second one, expertise. The third one, attractiveness. And the last one, congruence. As the fashion industry in Vietnam continues to evolve, our insights are to inform strategic decisions that can positively impact brand success in this dynamic and competitive landscape. Now we move to model research. As you can see here from the model, there are 4 key indicators of brand ambassadors from the left side, including credibility, specialty, attractiveness, and congruence. So we put 8 hypotheses here that these 4 indicators positively impact on brand image as well as purchase intention. And for the last hypothesis, brand image positively and directly imparts purchase intentions. So in order to implement this study, we employed some methodologies such as 5-point Likert scale for measurement. We also use the Ron-Bass alpha technique and linear regression modeling, and also t-test. Along with these techniques, we relied on direct interview with participants through a pre-designed structure questionnaire. This approach facilitated efficient data collection while maintaining a robust sample size of 279 observations. So after applying those methodologies, we found very amazing results. From the table 1, this is the results of testing the reliability of measurement scales in the research model. So as you can see from the table 1, there are 4 indicators: credibility, specificity, attractiveness, and congruence. Also, 2 more implements: brand image and purchase intentions. They have variance bigger than 0.3, which means that they are unaccepted, as well as the launch button far up. Those indicators are also bigger than 0.6. And we move to table 2. This is the results of the regression analysis between brand ambassadors to brand image model. From the table, we can see that there are 3 indicators that have very positive impact on brand image. They are credibility, attractiveness, and congruence. And the coefficients of each indicator are very high. For example, credibility 0.21, attractiveness 0.25, and the last one, congruence 0.41. Similarly, from the table 3, this is the results of regression analysis between brand ambassador to purchase intention model. The 3 indicators, credibility, attractiveness, and congruence, again have very positive impact to purchase intention. Specifically, the coefficients of each indicators, such as credibility 0.21, attractiveness 0.36, and the last one, congruence 0.21. Also, they are also very high. And for the last table, the results of regression analysis between the brand image to the purchase intention model, the coefficients is 0.59, which means that the variable brand image has a very positive and direct impact to the purchase intentions. And we move to the last part of the presentation, limitation and further research. Alongside the achieved research outcomes, this study has its limitations, which provides avenues for future research. One limitation lies in the utilization of the convenient sampling methods for participant selection. Additionally, the reliance on self-reported data through structured questionnaires could introduce response bias or social desirability bias, potentially impacting the accuracy of results. Furthermore, this study focused exclusively on the fashion industry, potentially limiting the generalizability of findings to other industries. The future research direction could involve investigating the moderating effects of demographic variables such as age, income, and cultural background on relationships identified in this study. Lastly, an extension of this study could involve a longitudinal design to assess the long-term effects of celebrity endorsements on brand image and purchase intentions. In conclusion, while this study sheds a light on the critical role of brand ambassadors in shaping brand image and purchase intentions within the fashion industry, it identifies limitations such as a rich array of possibilities for future research. And this is the end of my presentations. Thank you for your listening.